Okay, here are 2 Comfort-Aire units and a Daikin air conditioning unit at yet another commercial place in Iowa City. Here's this Comfort-Aire unit. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And it has been running. Nice. And not sure what year or ton it is. I'll have to look at that later. And here's this Daikin unit. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. I think this unit might have actually replaced Comfort-Aire. And there's data for it. And then here is another Comfort-Aire unit which is running. This one's a 12 SEER. Awesome. This unit is, these 2 units are really rare. Pretty sure. And the data's mostly faded. I'll have to look at that too. But yeah. Yeah, this one was definitely running. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.